In the next few months, the U.S. Supreme Court will decide on whether to weaken a law that protects internet companies from legal responsibility for user-generated content online. The ruling could have implications for technologies like artificial intelligence chatbot ChatGPT. The case under consideration is whether Alphabet Inc.'s Google, YouTube can be sued over its video recommendations to users. The ruling could impact the debate over whether companies that develop generative AI chatbots like ChatGPT or Bard from Google should be protected from legal claims like defamation or privacy violations. The debate is about whether the organization of information available online through recommendation engines is so significant to shaping content as to become liable. AI tools that generate poetry and polemics may not enjoy legal protections. Democratic Senator Ron Wyden believes that liability shield should not apply to generative AI tools because such tools create content. The technology industry has pushed to preserve Section 230 despite bipartisan opposition to the immunity. A weakened Section 230 would present an impossible task for AI developers, threatening to expose them to a flood of litigation that could stifle innovation. Some experts believe that courts may take a middle ground, examining the context in which the AI model generated a potentially harmful response. If the AI model appears to paraphrase existing sources, the shield may still apply. However, chatbots like ChatGPT have been known to create fictional responses that appear to have no connection to information found elsewhere online, a situation that experts say would likely not be protected. Haney Farid, a technologist and professor at the University of California, Berkeley, believes that it is an overstretch to argue that AI developers should be immune from lawsuits over models that they programmed, trained, and deployed. He says that when companies are held responsible in civil litigation for harms from the products they produce safer products, and when they're not held liable, they produce less safe products. The case before the Supreme Court involves an appeal by the family of Nohemi Gonzalez, a college student from California who was fatally shot in a 2015 rampage by Islamist militants in Paris, against YouTube. The lawsuit accuses Google of providing material support for terrorism and claims that YouTube, through its algorithms, unlawfully recommended videos by the Islamic State militant group, which claimed responsibility for the Paris attacks, to certain users. In conclusion, the Supreme Court's decision on whether to weaken the law that protects internet companies from legal responsibility for user-generated content online could have significant implications for the development of AI chatbots like ChatGPT. The ruling could influence the emerging debate on whether companies that develop generative AI chatbots should be protected from legal claims like defamation or privacy violations.